Hello everybody, welcome to your week 3 video lab. This is for part 2, the standard part of the experiment, and every student should be doing this part of the lab. Now you'll see I already have some test tubes that are pre-prepared with some liquid within them. You'll see I have water, orange juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, grapefruit juice, and this is my iodine. So all of these are set up, and each test tube has 5 milliliters of the solution or the juice that I am testing. You'll notice on the left we do have water. Water is our control, meaning it doesn't have vitamin C, so we can see what iodine would do in just a solution that doesn't have that. So that's going to be what we would compare the other ones to. Now the other 4, we're going to look at how much iodine it takes to react and use all of the vitamin C within that solution. The drops are going to help us know how much vitamin C is based on calculations we will do later. So what I'm going to do is add iodine drop by drop to each of the solutions that you see. And between each drop, I'm going to shake the test tube, and that way I can allow it to react. As the iodine is added to the solutions, it's going to react with the ascorbic acid, and it's going to get to a point where there's no more vitamin C left in the test tube that I'm using. Once that occurs, I'm going to have what's called an endpoint, and the iodine is actually going to change the color of the solution. That's going to be where you want to stop counting the drops, and you're going to record that number. Now please be careful, because I'm not going to stop adding drops at the endpoint. That's something I want you to observe and determine on your own. So make sure as you are watching this, you pay attention, count the drops, and then look for that endpoint where the color of the solution changes. So let's get started. Now the goal for me is to not get iodine on the side of the test tube. If I get iodine on the side of the test tube, that drop might not count because it doesn't go all the way into solution. So first I'm going to do water, and you'll see there was already a drop on the side. However, this one we're not worried about counting drops. I just want you to see that this is going to change the solution color because there is no vitamin C within it. Okay? So that is our control, that is water. The first one we're going to do is orange juice. And then that one I got a little bit on the side, so I'm going to try to shake it and get the rest. And that was orange juice. Next, we're going to test the apple juice. And that was apple juice. Next one is pineapple juice. And that was the pineapple juice. And then last is going to be the red grapefruit juice. And that concludes the standard part of the lab. So make sure you write down your observations, and then remember you have to choose one other video to watch to complete the rest of the lab. Make sure that you don't choose the same one as a sibling or friend if you have one in the course.